365 in Vegas, day 87. I am screaming at you because I just survived the flash flood experience here at Springs Preserve. It was thrilling, it was scary, it was intense. I even got wet, but I made it out alive. I survived it, as did everybody in there. We are living to talk about this heart-wrenching experience. I just need a couple deep breaths to calm down. Day 87.
You might want to start moving to higher ground. Now, about the rest of you guys, don't worry, we'll be fine. The platform you're standing on is built high above the flood zone. You see, when we get a rainstorm, the hard-baked desert floor can't absorb all that water. That means it all rushes downhill, becoming a flash flood. These floods disperse seeds and recharge the ecosystem. But they can also be destructive. And if you're caught in the path, they can be deadly. So don't think you can outrun one either. You will lose. So Jess...
Okay, I'm further up the hill now. Oh, wait a minute. Check this out. It's a red-spotted toad. They're amazing.
I know. They wait out the long dry season by burrowing underground for most of the year. Jess, what's that sound?
Uh-oh.
Would you please get out of there now? Jessie?
Hold on, everybody.
Jessie, you okay?
Whoa!
Jessie, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you floating up there? That was a close one.
Way too close. That's not normally part of the tour.
Yeah, most people don't get to see a flash flood like that up close.
You lived in hell about it.
Well, it's time for me to head uphill and drive out.
I'll meet you back at the station, Jess. Oh, and thank you guys for coming. I hope you enjoyed your adventure in Mojave Canyon.
Bye.